Alright, this is on escape from full mount. He's up high in my armpits. He's got the advantage for both striking and submissions. I need to get out. First way is shrimping. The way you shrimp is you get your elbow in first. You push to the side. Get your hand in. Shrimp out. This way. Shrimp out. And you can take them in your guard. The other way. Fully mounted. It's a bridge and push. You're going to arch up and push him to one side. You'll notice as your opponent's trying to get submissions on you or striking, his center of gravity is going to shift. If you notice it's high, it's up toward here, put your hands right around the midsection and bridge up. Bridge out. Another way, you're fully mounted, doesn't matter where his center of gravity is, you want to roll him to the side. But to do that, you need to trap his foot so he can't put it out and brace, and you want to trap his arm so he can't use that to brace. So if he's getting in here, he starts working submissions, and you can get a hold of his arm. Look on the side, Luis. Instead of here, trap this foot. I can put my hand anywhere here, shoulder, side. I bridge up again. I'm in his guard, but I'm out of full mount. So this advances my position. So I'll show you again. Full mount here. I want to trap him down here. I want to get this arm stuck somewhere so he can't plant it out. And as soon as I have that, I trap the foot, push him over. Start launching.